Good morning. It is the day after the Saddlebrook demo day, and I'm gonna go pick up the guys. We're gonna grab some breakfast, and I'm gonna send their way up to Saddlebrook to start cutting on the turf while I go to the doctor's and get my blood pressure checked after yesterday's fiascos. Then after that, I'm gonna go run over to the warehouse, pick up the infill, and meet the guys up at the job site and help them finish. So you better go grab your boots. Come on, let's get this day going.
What's up, boy?
Morning. Moved like a total of 12 yards of dirt. You know, for the first time, for the second time, another for the third time.
This guy's, a little spoiled, so he'd be like, "Oh, I want this today."
She runs out and gets it.
Yeah.
She's a good mother, though.
She tries.
You can't tell her no.
Yeah.
That's what the father-son dynamic is. You gotta tell him no, toughen him up, be a man.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you tell a father to say no to his daughter, that's impossible, dude.
Yeah, exactly. You just look at her like, nah, I can't do that.
Yeah, exactly. Did you order me breakfast? What? Did you order breakfast?
No. I ordered lunch.
What'd you get?
Steak.
Can I get bacon, egg, and cheese? Everything bagel? No salt, no pepper, no ketchup, no jalapenos?
Bacon, egg, and cheese, and everything bagel. Extra jalapeno, right?
None of those. And
Sausage.
sausage, egg, and cheese? Everything bagel?
Steak and cheese, everything bagel.
Salt, pepper, ketchup?
Okay.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Is that gonna be alright?
I guess I might as well eat here.
You can eat here. So yeah, I'm gonna go over to the warehouse and pick up the infill.
Yeah.
You guys are taking the black truck, right? I'm doing that after the doctor. But I gotta give you the keys to the trailer. Thank you. Have a good day. Ready? You ready?
This is the juniors. The juniors use this one. If you have
He's got one that size too.
Yeah, no. If you have less than 5 years experience, you use this one.
And then you
Once you get your 5 year,
you graduate.
you get the
So
big boy,
but that one is the
seatbelt cutter.
yeah, or the rope cutter. I think it's more appropriate.
That's what this is called.
He's got the big red.
Extra ketchup.
Delicious.
What do you think they would do if you asked for extra ketchup?
I think they'd
Would they be like obnoxious with it?
They'd be like, "Are you okay? Are you okay? There's something wrong here.
Extra ketchup.
Step away from the counter. You are not ready to order."
No salt, no pepper, just ketchup. Let me get a ketchup sandwich.
Yeah, can I get a bagel with ketchup on it?
Yeah. Like that guy that asked for peanut butter and cream cheese. That's a turn off.
Yeah.
I need to be locked up. Color for that car.
The first part is you got one job to push the gas pedal and the light screen. Like, what else are you doing in your car besides that? Like the second person, yeah, I think they have more ability to go check their phone, text message, call somebody, talk to a customer. You know, the guy in the front, he's got one job: stare at the light. There you go. You did a good job.
How much people just do that? You think they call it a gas pedal if it's an electric car?
No, it's an accelerator pedal. And why do they call gas when it's a liquid? You don't know. I don't know either. I just live in this crazy world.
Why do we drive on the parkway?
That's a
and park in the driveway.
That's a good question too.
Is that thing on?
Yeah.
Let me ask the people. You let them shenan once, they'll shenan again. That's it. It wasn't really a question. Just wanted to talk to them.
That was a statement.
Yeah. That's fun.
What about the color of that car? What would you call that?
That?
Rose gold?
No, it's not real gold.
What is that then?
It's like a rust.
That's a rust? Are we gonna go and buy? Hey, can I get rust on my Lexus?
Hell yeah.
And they'll be like, sure, no problem.
Rust all over my Mercedes. Make it all rusty.
Perfect.
Hold the WD-40. Extra rust.
I want to stand out. I want a high class, clean, brand new car. Just make it rust color. What would you call that color?
Or bronze, maybe.
Okay, I'll go with the bronze on that.
If you got to meet any Eagles player, any current Eagles player, who would you want to meet?
Well, since the season didn't start and no Eagles players are current Eagles players, Jason Kelsey.
Who retired?
Until the season actually starts in the first kickoff.
That has nothing to do with being modern or not.
Nobody's a current player.
They're contracted.
Oh.
They're under contract. They're active. Just because kickoff didn't start doesn't mean that their job didn't start. They're at practice right now.
Do you practice for cutting turf?
Yeah.
Do you wake up in the morning and like do squats and start lifting up there and then you're solid just to get ready?
I do blade whips.
Do you really? That's kind of dangerous.
I do squats with bags of infill.
That's really dangerous too.
I don't know which glove is it. I don't know. I'll take off there.
Yo, OJ, just take them all.
Oh. Want to see what I can fit in this glove?
No. You got the address?
Yep. Jason Kelsey is a good pick, but I'm tired.
I'd rather go to a bar and hang out with him than like talk to him, like an interview talk.
I'd rather meet, some other people. They hang out like around, what's that place? Exotica?
Get the hell out of here. Drive safe. They're gonna go on their way. I'm gonna go to the doctor's. And I will meet up with them after I pick up the infill from the warehouse. So I'm taking the blue truck, good old Brooke. Good. Can I pick up those 17 bags of Envirofill?
Yeah. We'll get you in and out.
All right, I'll meet you at the truck. Thank you. Inundate the beach. Hiya. That'll get you 10 times out of 10.
That's an hour away.
Yeah, you gotta make it a place.
Yeah. That's why I was like, I'm really trying to take it over there.
What's going on?
Hello?
You working for Lowe's now too?
I came from there.
Just now?
No.
Does he do double shifts?
Hope not.
I don't even have a Lowe's shirt, and I'm in there like every other day. A couple bucks. You know, if I got an employee discount for here, I'd save a lot too.
Well, the other one's longer now.
Yeah, it's got a crew cab. This one's a regular cab.
I mean, this I can see through. Feel well.
Just don't look over there. That's why the plywood's there. I tell you, when we do get floods, I'm gonna be ready for them.
Get the height of the vehicle.
Sandbagging.
All right, sir.
Is it good?
Yep.
Thank you, gentlemen.
No worries.
What's that? 4 feet. Probably like 3.5. Yeah, we'll go 4 feet because it's 3.5 on the button. And it could stray off. Yeah, see, it's over 3 feet. So we'll do 4 feet by 15 by probably like 3 feet. A little under 3 feet. This will probably go by the shed. All right. Let me grab the paperwork so I can get those numbers. All right, yeah, it's going the same way. So that's, the lien's going that way. So it's 16 by 6. And that's exactly what that big piece is. So that one can come over here. Oh, no, it's the lien's going the other way. If it was, if the lien was going towards the house, we could use it over there. I'll ask Joe if we can point it towards the house so we can use this for that. And then whatever this is left over, we'll put somewhere. I'm gonna call him. So now this one, we need a 4-foot sliver off of it. No, it doesn't matter. We're just rolling it out. But once we know where it is, okay. So this, we got to pull this one down over here, so it'll roll out towards the street. Take that end, and I'm gonna take this end and go this way. You go towards the house, I go away. You like that? Lumberjack rolls. That's fine. We only need a 4 feet piece off this. That's good. Yep. Just to the end of the deck, because I want to put a butt cut over there and do a vertical seam. Alright, so we'll probably do a little seam over here too, just so I can get a solid piece.
Yeah.
I wanted to see how, you know, how much space it was going to be. I know it's a 21-foot sliver off of 15. Missed a couple spots.
That's funny. I haven't changed this blade in
Years. That's the blade that it came with when you started working?
yeah. I have 3 of these.
Measurements.
But once I cut that off, we'll probably be able to move it at least an inch this way. We're gonna come up with
Yeah, 11.
that too. 11 and a half, and we have 5 inch.
$11. That's good. That's it. Joe's probably gonna look back in this video and be like, what the hell are they doing? Why wouldn't they start over here? Because we're trying to make it fit and we're trying to make it square. Don't worry about it. I got timing on you, Joe. Relax.
See how far these guys got. How's it going?
So what they say?
What's wrong with
You
it?
got T-Rex?
So, here's the thing. I went in there to see if I needed to get tested to go to a specialist. And the doctor's going through all this other stuff. And he's like, your blood pressure, everything, right?
It's bad.
So then he comes back and he's like, I have one alarming thing that came out. He's like, you're with your urine. He's like, your urine is very diluted. And I'm like, well,
Is that a good thing?
and I'm like, yeah, wouldn't you think that would be good? I was like, I drink a lot of water. We're out in the backyards and residential places. Like I drink a lot of Gatorades and water, probably like 3 gallons worth. Yeah, I'm going to the bathroom and I'm also sweating out a crap load of it.
So what do you say?
And he's like, I want you to stop drinking water. And I paused and I'm like, are you kidding me?
That's
And
essential to life. You want me
And
to-
I'm like, what am I supposed to do? And he's like, just be conscious of what you're drinking, but drink less. I'm like, I'm not dehydrating outside. It's better for my health to not drink water during the day. Like are you kidding me?
You're supposed to drink like a gallon a day of water.
Exactly.
So cut down on those.
So
other
he's
2
saying-
gallons.
Yeah, just I only have to drink 1 gallon of water. After that, I die.
Yeah, right?
He's saying portion your water intake.
What does that mean?
You can't though. Otherwise you're gonna dehydrate yourself. He's a quack.
But yeah, my blood pressure's good. Surprisingly, after I don't know why yesterday.
Because it's like
Did
water.
he say cut
I was
down
like,
on Kirkland water?
No, he said cut down on water.
Oh.
Water and Gatorade. I told him like we drink probably more water than Gatorade here, but I was like, would the electrolytes cause that issue? And he's like, not necessarily, it's the water. And I'm like, well, you want my urine to be more solidified? Like, I don't get it. What the heck does that mean? So,
Diluted. That's crazy. The only time I heard that was when Dom was drinking too much water, but he was really drinking too much water. Like he was taking all the good and bad out of his body.
Oh.
Everything. And he was like about to faint. But he also was taking like some type of vitamin or some shit.
multivitamin?
Yeah, some
I
shit.
take a multivitamin too.
That and water?
He also said my calcium levels are high, and I'm like, I only drink milk with my coffee. So how is that possible? It just doesn't make sense. I'm not a doctor, but I'm pretty sure that doesn't make sense. What am I doing?
what?
Are you gonna tell me what to do? What am I
I
doing?
told you what to do.
You said okay, that's good. So
Hold that.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what you guys do. You want me to tell you what to do?
go drink some water.
Water.
Why am I riding that truck back?
Because I was comfortable in that truck.
The black one? You don't like the hot leather of that one?
That's probably why you poop. It's crazy.
That's probably why I was drinking so much water.
Exactly, the hot leather.
Water.
Yo, you guys are all gotta calm down.
There's brownies too.
There's more brownies?
Yeah, they were already out here. Well, no, they weren't already out here. So.
Yeah, she came out.
Wow.
Stopped by.
Have you guys filled in all this stuff already? It's looking good. What?
That's going the wrong way.
Come on, man.
It was upside down.
Who's upside down, me or you?
Yes.
Where's that go then?
That's
extra.
that was
might use
that was off of one of those pre-existing pieces.
And that piece is going where? Along the side?
Yeah, along the sides.
it's along.
These
It's a
two
vertical,
pieces are
not
gonna go on the back line.
Okay. It's looking good.
Let me drink some water.
Want some water, Joe?
I would love some, but doctor's orders.
Can't have any.
How dare I not have
I
water?
gotta drink scotch.
You're not going
I know. What am I supposed to drink at a job site? Liquor?
so you can find some. Oh, too much alcohol.
Drink some more Red Bull. Drink some more Red Bull.
Yeah. Red Bull's got water in it too. Why didn't you get the whole box?
Because when I'm done cutting, I think there should be good. At least 3 bags for all this garbage.
Definitely not. Definitely not.
Then 1 bag.
Is this your first job?
We can throw you in it.
Thanks.
We might have to chop off a couple pieces.
It sped me up. Here, you ever 1 bag for you?
What am I doing with this? Hyperventilate?
1 bag for me.
We need more.
Yeah, can you go get the box? For the love of God.
Before you even start putting them in here. I'll put 1 piece in here, but like we need more. We're all up.
Did you watch the new Victory episode on
What's that
YouTube? Victory Outdoor Services.
How about this?
You know how yesterday was a crapshoot for me?
Yeah.
Well, he had rain coming down. One of his guys destroyed his equipment trailer with a bobcat. Literally broke the entire frame, like $20,000 trailer. And he walks out there and he's just like, oh well. And I was thinking to myself like, oh man, I would have been screaming and yelling. Are you kidding me? And he's like, oh, just whatever, just do better next time. Like literally that's pretty much the sentiment that he had. And I was just livid, fucking livid for him. And I'm like,
Maybe
dude,
he was trying to be calm, cool, calm, collected on camera.
and maybe
He
blew up
lost his
afterwards.
shit off camera.
That might be true. But the thing is, it made me think, like, if he's got that much money from the videos that he's making and all the other stuff that he's selling, like, and he doesn't care about it, why is he even doing concrete besides the fact that, like, he's doing it just to create content?
Could be.
You know? But if you got that much money, you just be like, oh, you know, oh, that's okay. Well, you know, you just destroyed my $20,000 trailer and nothing else really care. I don't care about it. That's a different mindset, right? And here I am angry that a trailer's delaying us for 2 hours.
I was angry about that too. That means you puncture a line, then you got to rip it up and do it all over again.
I don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, you do.
Leave that to you.
I'm not coming to repair your mess up.
There's a sprinkler line right there in that corner.
Exactly where it's at.
You lucky that pole was there.
I'm the one that added this one right here.
We're gonna have to have a performance review.
I still haven't did anything that bad.
That bad. That's true, you haven't. You've done a good job. You gonna nail this down?
Yeah, but I'm gonna skip this one right here because it's right here.
Then skip it, yeah. Put a nail right here.
Yeah, I was thinking about using
Just to tack that thing down. That's a little skinny.
2 lines.
You got your knife?
It's on the table.
Let me clean that up for you.
And bounce back.
Let's make it like this. So that way you can sink a nail through it. Because that was too thin.
I'll fix it when I get there.
Perfect. Is he done yet?
I also didn't nail any of this. I was just cutting it all. And then I also cut this edge for him, and I cut the sprinkler heads for him.
You cut this edge?
Yeah, from here,
Okay.
here down.
Why didn't he do it?
Because he was afraid to mess it up.
You gotta learn to not be afraid. You gotta be strong.
I was saying, I was like scared.
The end of this year, I'm gonna be the top cutter.
You
Remember that.
You gotta be strong. Just get in there and do it.
I'm already strong. It's not about that.
What's it about?
Giving me hazard pay.
Skill.
The skill. But you gotta
I'm not
develop
there
those.
yet.
You gotta develop those skills on jobs where we do have more time for you to learn.
That's a nice speech
Yeah,
by
how
you.
do you plan on developing those
But it
skills?
doesn't matter about the words that you say. It's about me feeling comfortable. So it's on me, not you.
You want me to make you feel comfortable? You want me to get you some slippers to walk around
You
in?
know what I really want.
How do you plan on developing those skills if you don't do it?
Slowly.
It's because I have the eye.
Oh, yeah.
He's got the eye.
The eye of the tiger.
Sure does. This looks good. All these seams. I don't even know where the seams are.
Oop.
I tripped over the one bag that's left.
Which means I question your eyesight
Yeah.
if you didn't see those bags.
Watch
out for the nails,
It's the
too.
last bag that's left. There's no more. Can we go to lunch, gentlemen? I'm kind of hungry.
What is the problem? It's only the 3rd time we heard it today.
I'm hungry.
You didn't even do anything. You glued.
I did all the seams, dude.
That's a half a seam. This is a half a seam. And these are really small seams. You did one full seam. 1.5.
That's all that counts. Hey, listen, you don't got glue on you and I don't got glue on me. That works for me.
Pants.
Let's go. Huh?
I think you get more glue on your clothes than you do on the purse.
Let's go. What was he right there? The dandelions? Man, what is all this?
You got longer legs.
Well, there's a bunch of water everywhere.
Not in the front seat.
I gotta get rid of all that now. Doctor's orders.
Don't worry, I'll take care of that.
I'll help you. Harmful stuff out of your life.
Yeah,
We'll take it and drink it.
thanks. That guy was raking his dandelions over there. I don't know why.
Look busy.
I don't know what the heck he was doing. You think we're gonna finish today?
No, I don't know. Maybe 2 more days. One for nailing, one for infilling. You want to keep asking me stupid questions, I'm going to use stupid answers. You asked me that yesterday too, or this morning. Yeah, when we were at the labor shop.
You doing those seams behind there? Behind the shed?
There's only room for one guy back there. That guy's you.
Slices?
Yeah. Oh, he's the plane.
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
You didn't get a slice?
I got a sandwich.
He said he was about to rat himself out. He's gonna like, technically, I'm the one in the middle. You're too wide and he's too tall.
Oh yeah, for going behind the shed. You're too tall, he's too thick. I'm like in between.
So what do we gotta do? Find some like an anorexic short guy?
Do you need a fork and knife for pizza?
I don't know.
Oh, you're using a napkin. There's napkin. There's a box of napkins right here.
To be honest.
Did you guys try your teas?
No. What kind of a stupid question is that? It's not even open.
I don't know if you opened it and took a little sip.
Real quick, boy. He was waiting for that.
Damn, that's a lot of sugar.
Mm.
I didn't even look at mine. I'm afraid now.
Don't worry.
Oh, I got less sugar than you though.
There's less water in it if there's more sugar.
All right, which one do you think has the most sugar?
So raspberry, for sure. Oh, the
sandwich sheet.
I'll take salad. Thank you.
He's gonna be hungry in like 45 minutes.
I'm gonna be so hungry. I'm hungry right now and I didn't even eat it.
I got a center that's like 315, and then I have a tackle that's like 290.
Why do you not sit?
Oh yeah, thank you.
So glad.
Appreciate it. Is that spicy?
Oh, and I got a Richard Sherman, like a 290 corner. They have Lawrence.
There
It's
is.
like everybody from that area. Some days it's this group, some days it's that group. You'll probably get like 3 or 4 of them that have the same, but it rotates.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
You got more food?
I told you I'm hungry.
You have like 5 things. What did you get? You got another slice. You got more food?
It's my roadie. You don't take a roadie with you? You going that way? Man, your phone's gonna end up cracked like mine. I'm sure of it. What about there? Turf is going to look great on this deck.
What?
Perfect.
Time to go home?
Time to go. Let's go. Just leave it.
Alright.
You alright, Wilson? You alright? Okay. What did he say? I'm putting this over here so nothing bad happens, all right? So what do you think is coming out good? What?
That's professional.
You could have taken off another
Bead too.
full bead. I'll take it off.
No, I want to see it on the camera.
Fix his work.
So what?
Yeah,
I mean, that's my competitor.
No, the thing is, you're not here to dog him about what he did or didn't do.
It's not about that. I'm coming for his spot.
Well, then tell him that he should have cut another bead off here because it's too long.
I'm gonna fix it and be like, listen, fixed by Wilson.
Yeah, do better next time.
Right?
Do better. Stamp.
Wilson approved.
Quality control. We got to hold each other accountable to a better standard. A better standard. You know, this isn't his prior company. This is our company.
Yeah, right?
This is the better place.
The way I set it up was past the patio. Someone moved it forward.
Get your phone.
Let's get the infill in.
Get out of my way. I thought it was gonna fit, so I put it right up to
I
the...
thought it was gonna fit too.
It looks amazing.
Thank you.
I'm so glad I did this, like you have no idea.
We'll enjoy it, all right?
Really.
I appreciate that.
It is like super, really, just, I love it.
Good.
Just, thank you.
You're welcome. You're absolutely welcome.
Really, just super. You guys want the rest of the water?
We have a whole cooler full. Thank you, though. Yeah, absolutely. I know. I know. Enjoy your yard. That's my cooler.
I got you a Gatorade because you can't have water.
I know. Good job today, Willie. Big change from yesterday. Maybe it's because I was drinking too much water. Is it down?
Put your wheel down.
That don't look so good.
What, this?
Yeah.
It's fine.
Okay. You're all locked up?
Yeah, I locked the back up. Oh, yeah, that.
Still got your blocks. Still got your blocks. All right, we're getting out of here. Nice job. I think Wilson's got them all. All right, we're gonna head back to Bayonne. You guys better make sure you cut it straight. We'll see you on the next one.